In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your XTB account to MT5. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that your XTB account is fully verified. Because if your account is not verified, you won't be able to connect it to MT5. So double check that you have completed all required verification steps inside your XTB dashboard. Now, if in case your account is not fully verified, what you can do instead is go to the MT5 platform because it's much easier to navigate. Okay, so you want to make sure that your MT5 app is installed on your computer, and then on the symbols tab right here at the bottom part corner of your dashboard, I want you to right click on the accounts and click the open an account. Here, all I have to do on the search bar is type in your company or server, which is going to be XTB. Now, if XTB is available in your region, you should see their server in the search results. Okay? And then select the XTB server and click the next button. And from here, all I have to do is log in using your existing account, enter your XTB login credentials, the one that you use on your account on the web version, and follow the on-screen instructions. And once successful, your XTB account will now be connected to MT5. Basically, that's how you connect XTB to MT5. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.